Did you know that there is a script in which the letters of the alphabet are all trees? Yes, you heard right. The letters of the alphabet in this particular script are all represented by trees and plants. And the tree behind me was used to represent or write the letter B. It's the birch tree, which also happens to be the national tree of Finland, where I am at present. So let's find out more about this fascinating alphabet in which the letters are trees in this episode of Tree Talk. Like we have the Devanagari script and the Roman script, let me introduce you to a very unique script called Ogham. It was used in the medieval times to write Irish. So it is an old Irish script, also called the Old Celtic script. And the interesting thing about the script is that the letters of this alphabet that represent the various sounds are actually symbols of trees and plants. The Ogham alphabet was used over 1500 years ago and is the earliest form of writing Irish. It was made up of lines and notches made on stone or on wood. Each set of lines represents one letter. It was most commonly used to mark names and record land boundaries and was hence found on gravestones or on land title records. Now the script Ogham looks like this. It has a central stem line and then small strokes that cut through the central line. So as an example, a line in the center is an A. One line to the right is B. Add two lines to the right and it is an L. And like we have names for every letter of the alphabet in English, like this letter that makes the M sound is called M, and this letter making the K sound is called K, just like that, these letters too had names. And the reason we are talking about this on a tree channel is precisely because of those names. The names of these letters were the names of trees and plants. So this symbol that stands for B was the birch tree. A stands for the Scots pine, D for the oak, S for the willow, and so on. As I was reading about this old Celtic tree script, I came across another Celtic language called Scots Gaelic, which is spoken in Scotland. And I discovered that the word for oak tree in that language is darak, which is spelt like this. I don't know exactly how it is pronounced. And interestingly, the word darakt means tree in Urdu. And it would be interesting to find out if they have some sort of common etymological origin. If you enjoyed this episode of Tree Talk and learned something about the beautiful world of trees, do check out some of the other episodes on this channel, share this with friends, and subscribe to stay posted.